Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Odyssey key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2025 battery. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and quick replacement process. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit, providing clear visibility for each step. This simple task typically takes only a few minutes to complete, getting your key fob back in working order efficiently. Next, locate the small slot on the side of your key fob's casing. This is usually where the two halves meet. Gently insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a careful and slight twisting motion, you can begin to pry the two sections apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing, ensuring a clean separation. Once the fob is open, observe the orientation of the old battery before you remove it. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Using your small flathead screwdriver, carefully pop out the old CR2025 battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2025 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. Ensure it sits snugly. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob casing precisely. Gently press them together until you hear a distinct click, confirming they are securely fastened. Give the fob a quick squeeze to ensure there are no gaps. The last step is to test its functionality. Go to your Honda Odyssey and try locking and unlocking the doors to confirm your new battery is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.